Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Oracle Cloud VPS for scalable compute, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Oracle Cloud website. Log in to your Oracle Cloud account. Navigate to the compute section from the dashboard. Select instances from the drop-down menu. Click on the Create Instance button. Choose your desired operating system image. Select the appropriate shape for your virtual private server. Configure the networking options by choosing a virtual cloud network. Adjust the security list settings to ensure proper access. Set your storage options based on your requirements. Review the configurations you've selected. Click on the Create button to initiate instance creation. Wait for the instance provisioning process to complete. Once the instance is running, locate its public IP address. Access your instance using SSH or a remote desktop connection. Log in with the credentials you set during the instance creation. Verify that the instance is functioning as expected. You can now scale your compute resources as necessary. Explore the different options for scaling based on your workload. Adjust the instance shape or add additional storage as needed. Monitor your instance performance through the Oracle Cloud dashboard. Consider implementing autoscaling for dynamic resource management. Familiarize yourself with Oracle's cost management tools to track usage. Regularly update your instance for security and performance improvements. Follow best practices for backup and disaster recovery to safeguard your data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.